From this here, find out the a plus b. What is the value? A plus b, what is the value? First, we can write this is, so multiply with the 2 both of side, 2ab and b. So multiply into the 2 both of side, and there is the 2a, there is the 4ab, and there is the 2b. This is equal to 16. And now there is the 1 is plus both of side, 1 is plus both of side. So there we take the 2a common, so there is 1 by 2b. This is the 2b and 2a, this is the 4ab, and plus 1, this is the 2b plus 1, and this is the 17. So both are similar, so take 1 plus 2b, and there is the 2a plus 1, this is the 17, and this 17 we can write the 1 into 17, and we can write the minus 1 into minus 17. This is 17 we can write. The this case number 1, and so case number 1, so we can write this 1 plus 2b is equal to the 1, so 2b is equal to, this 1 is 1, so 0, and 0, so b is equal to the 0, and 2a plus 1 is equal to the 17 we take, so we can write the 2a is equal to the 17, this is minus here, minus 1, so this is the 16, so a is equal to 8. And case number 1 we find out this, so find out the a plus b is equal to 8 plus 0 is 8. From here we can find out this, case number 1. And case number 2, so case number 2, we can write, if the 17 is here and 1 is here, so then this is 17, so this is value is 8, and this is the 1, so this is the value is 0, so a plus b, this value, both value is 8, and this is minus, and this is 17. So case number 2 we can write, this is case number 1, we can write this 1 plus 2b is equal to, so minus 1, so there is the 2b is equal to, there is the minus 1, and this is minus 1 is minus 2, so we can write b is equal to the minus 1, at 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 17, so there the 2a is equal to minus 17, and this is minus 1, so this is the minus 18, and so a value is, this is minus 9. So now a plus b value is minus 9 and plus the minus 1, so there is the minus 9 and there is the minus 1, so there is the minus 10, so we can write a plus b value is minus 10. So this value is 8 or minus 10.